Calling the change makers, the innovators, the entrepreneurs, the educators, the leaders, the ones who see a problem and don't look away, the ones who step up, because climate action can't wait. Climate action isn't just about the planet, it's about people. It creates jobs, it drives investment, it fuels economies. Climate action saves money on energy, on resources, on rebuilding after disaster. It protects homes, it protects infrastructure, it builds resilient communities. Climate action protects life. It protects the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we grow. And when we act together, we will create a future of abundance. This is the moment. This is the opportunity. This is the time to act.